What is an elegy? Have you ever wondered what makes an elegy different from other types of poetry? In the context of ancient Roman literature, an elegy is a specific kind of poem that uses a unique meter called elegiac couplets. This meter consists of alternating lines of 6 beats, known as hexameter, and 5 beats, known as pentameter. This structure sets elegies apart from other poetic forms. While today we often think of elegies as sad poems about death, ancient Roman elegies had a broader range of themes. They frequently explored love, desire, and mythology. In fact, many elegies featured a male speaker expressing intense feelings for a woman who was often unattainable or unfaithful. This woman might come from a lower social class, and the poet often portrayed himself as being enslaved by his passion for her. The late 1st century before Common Era saw poets like Propertius and Tibullus popularizing this form. Propertius, in particular, took the elegy and made it a central part of his work, using it to express the complexities of love and personal relationships. His poems also touched on current events and mythological themes, showcasing the flexibility of the elegy beyond just romantic love. The elegiac couplet meter allowed poets to create a rhythm that suited emotional expression. This form was borrowed from Greek poetry, where elegies could cover various subjects, including lamentation and war. However, the Romans adapted it mainly for personal and erotic poetry. Some Roman elegies did express sorrow, such as those mourning the dead. For example, Catullus wrote an elegy for his brother, and Propertius mourned his mistress, Cynthia. Yet, the dominant theme in Roman elegies remained the exploration of love and personal relationships. These poems could also include mythological references and commentary on social or political issues, making them a versatile form of expression in Roman culture. In practical terms, Roman elegies served as both personal emotional outlets and literary art that engaged with the society of the time. They were often shared among elite circles and could attract the attention of patrons, such as Maecenas, who supported poets like Propertius. In essence, an elegy in ancient Rome was a poem written in elegiac meter, primarily focused on love, often troubled or unrequited. However, it also had the capacity to address themes of mourning, mythology, and social commentary. Propertius's elegies are prime examples of this form, blending personal passion with reflections on broader cultural issues.